Hello and welcome to this video where I want to show you how to make a roof measurement with a Mini 3 or Mini 4. We're using the hyperlapse mode, and first of all we have to launch the drone and fly to the building that we want to measure. So we are launching here, and then let's fly some meters to the direction of the building, and then we will increase the altitude to some level where we can see the roof, the entire roof. And I would also recommend that you can see the facades of the house, so basically the entire house. But obviously, since we want to measure the roof, we will focus on the roof. Then you see around, you look around with a drone camera in order to make sure that you are free of obstacles. And when you are free of obstacles, then you're using the camera tilt in order to focus the building roof. So now we have a good frame, and now we draw a rectangle in the image in order to mark the roof's center like this, and then we want to point to the point of interest on the bottom right hand side. So now we are entering the POI, point of interest mode. And when we are moving the drone, we see that it automatically follows our target. So basically the center of our roof. But now we want to fly automatically. So that's what the point of interest does. So let's have a view, look at how this works. So right now we could just press go. This would be the first option. But what we want to actually do is choosing the hyperlapse mode on the right hand side, because we want to make the images automatically. So let's choose the hyperlapse mode from the camera menu. And then we want the circle mode within the hyperlapse mode. So right now we've chosen the free flight, so with your sticks, but now we want to circle automatically. So we are choosing the second option from the top, so the circle mode. Yeah, now we need to draw the center of the roof once again and edit the parameters accordingly. So we want an interval shot of 2 seconds, then the length about 3 seconds. Then, what's the speed? Speed is basically 1 meter per hour, and the rotation direction doesn't matter too much, so you can just use clockwise. And it's really important that you choose the JPEG format on the bottom right hand side in order to store the original images, because these are needed in order to really create the 3D model. It's better to use images for that than the video, so please choose this option. So now we chose all parameters correctly, and we need to edit the target. So right now, that's it. So the middle of the roof. And basically we are ready to go right now. At the bottom you see how long it will take, approximately 2 minutes 30 seconds, and it will take approximately 75 images. That's usual for a single family house of this site. And if we are now pressing on the right hand side, as I've done right now, the start button or the recording button, the drone starts circling and takes the images. That's what you are hearing right now as well. And yeah, now your task is basically to monitor the space around the drone, that there are no obstacles. And if there are obstacles, you can also increase the height of the drone or decrease the height of the drone depending on how you see the roof in the best way possible and how you feel comfortable. So just use your remote control sticks in order to edit or change the so just use your control sticks in order to change the parameters, so the flight height and the distance from the roof of your drone. That's what I'm doing right now. So in a few seconds you can see that we are now increasing the drone's altitude a little bit in order to better focus the roof. And then everything works automatically right here. So if you move the sticks, like the left stick, then the altitude increases. And if you remove the right stick, the distance to your roof increases or decreases, as I said, depending on whether you have obstacles around your building. Then let's wait until it's done. As you see, it's not the case that it flies 360 degrees accurately, but it flies some more circles. So if you would increase the length, it would even go more circles. That's not too bad. You get more images. Usually you want to fly around 360 degrees, and you can also end the mission or terminate the mission by pressing the button on the right hand side in order to not produce too many images, because that takes more time in processing and obviously more data storage. So now we are returning with our drone and all the images are collected successfully. So to sum up, it's better to have more images than too little, because for the photogrammetry process that produces the 3D model, it's better to have more images, but usually, since we fly really close to the building, 360 degrees and maybe a 10 degrees overlap is completely sufficient. So we see each other on my PC in a few seconds. So here we are. Here we have our drone, and the question is now, how can we access the images that have been acquired by the drone? So using the USB-C cable, and it's important that we switch on the drone, as you see here, and then it is detected like a normal USB stick, as an external storage to your computer. So please keep in mind that the drone has to be switched on. So then let's have a look on the PC. Here we are. And then we should see our drone as an external USB drive. In my case, the E drive. And now we are entering the folder DCIM, then the hyperlapse, and now you see all your hyperlapse flights and the images. So you have around 5 megabytes per image, which is the normal size for the mini drones. And now you can see all the images that have been acquired. And these are the images that you can now transfer to your photogrammetry solution like the AirClip Cloud service. So you just upload these files now, and we are about to create your 3D model. So that's it. Basically, really simple process. You're flying the drone, you're collecting the images. Please make sure that you're enabling the JPEG option. And then thank you for viewing this video.